Okay, so this particular video we're going to be asked to simplify the algebraic expressions. There's a little bit more complex, this particular one. You're looking at round about level 6, maybe level 7 at GCSE Maths. Okay, so what we've got here is everything inside the brackets, the power of minus a third. So that means it's the reciprocal. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write it as 1 over. Okay, so that will take care of this minus bit. The next thing is that each of these terms is to the power of a third. So I'm going to rewrite that as 64, which is my first term, to the power of a third. And then I've got x to the power of 9 to the power of a third. And then I've got y to the power of 2 to the power of a third. And then it's really just a case of applying the index laws with each of these. So the first thing is 64 to a third. Well, that means the cube root of 64. Okay, so the cube root of 64 is 4. So the first thing is that first term becomes 4. Okay, the next one is I've got multiplied by x to the power of 9 to the power of a third. Well, these two indices are multiplied together. So what you've actually got is 9 times a third, or if you like, a third of 9, which is 3. So that becomes x to the power of 3. Okay, and then the last bit of it, we've got y to the power of 2 times a third. So 2 times a third, 2 times a third is exactly the same as saying 2/3. So what we've got here is y to the power of 2/3. And that answers this particular question. So even though it looks a little bit complex to begin with, it does get progressively easier as you work through, providing you apply the different laws of indices and you recognise this power of a third is also the cube root. Okay, I hope that's been okay for you. Please do add a comment below in the comments. I'll always come back to you. I look forward to seeing you inside the next video.